My name's Iman Badawi. I've been at Unity Grammar since day one in 2008. Seeing those students grow and accomplish amazing things has been a really fond memory.
In the 7 years I've been here, it's been wonderful to see the school get bigger and bolder in its ambition.
All I remember from day one was the smiles on the kids' faces. And that's when we knew there was something special about to happen here.
The reason I love Unity is we're very forward-thinking, we're very innovative, our planning is very strategic, and it really is contextualised. It's about meeting the needs of our learners and future-proofing them so that they have all those 21st century skills like being adaptable and flexible, being able to think in innovative and different ways, being good problem solvers and good communicators.
The vision for Unity Grammar is well published and publicised at the moment, and really, if I can simplify it, it was just to produce the finest citizens that we could and to be positive contributors to Australian society. For all of the students graduating from Unity Grammar to be proud of their identity and to understand how being Muslim actually adds value and is aligned with Australian values.
One of the things I love most about Unity Grammar is the family feel. Our parents, our community are all as one. We're one family. We're unity, and that's what we're all about.
Choosing a school for my girls was one of the toughest jobs. I personally believe that if your child wants to come to school and you don't have to push them, that's the biggest achievement.
I'm very excited about our future at Unity Grammar, particularly for our facilities. Those facilities are going to be looking at 21st century teaching and learning strategy.
Watching students represent Australia at World Robotics Finals. That's a huge achievement for any school, and for us to have sent 3 teams in the last few years to represent Australia is massive.
Our future plans are to provide opportunity within the classroom where we start getting students to start engaging in cultures of thinking.
Cultures of thinking will set our students up for their future, for their careers, for life, because it asks them to think for themselves. It allows them to become the leaders of the future, something that is very important to us and embedded in our programs of teaching and learning. We're very fortunate to be in Southwest Sydney. The changes that are occurring in our area are enormous. We're at the hub of a whole new future, and our students are going to have an amazing opportunity to be part of that.
Unity Grammar's Islamic Studies program is part and parcel of what we do. It features in the learning of the children, but it also features in our everyday interaction. It's seen as something that permeates all aspects of schooling life.
To go to the origins, the birthplace of the Islamic faith, is beyond words. Every boy and every girl can have the opportunity to make that sacred journey. When young people can put into their mind that they can create a legacy for others to follow, they can change the world. And it's really what Unity Grammar is all about.